Many people start poultry farming today with excitement, but within few months, they lose money or their birds start dying. The reason is simple. They make costly mistakes which could have been avoided. In today's training, I will show you some major 5 poultry mistakes that beginners make, and if you are a farmer, you want to make profits in your poultry business, you need to avoid these costly mistakes before they take your money away. Welcome to Fresh Manna Agro Academy. This is the place we train individual farmers or intended farmers on how to start a practical agriculture and poultry farming. In today's training, I will show us some costly mistakes that individuals make, which I don't want you to make if you want to make profit in your farm or your farm in this poultry business. The mistake number 1 is that they start their farming without proper knowledge. They start their farming without proper knowledge. Have you started your poultry farming, or you just want to start poultry farming? Please come nearer and don't leave this video. If you are a beginner or you have even started your poultry farming, the mistake number 1 that many people make is that they start their farming without proper knowledge. What are the knowledge that you need to gain before you start a poultry business? Knowledge number 1 is that housing. We all know that if you are going to commercial farming in poultry business, you need a good, tangible and solid housing system. Your housing must be well constructed, must be well built. You need to consult experts. You need to consult it so that there will be good aeration. You need to put everything in mind. You need to take note of everything before you start the construction of your housing. Don't just say because I have money I can start housing. No, you cannot start this thing unless you consult people that know it. So if you want to prevent the first mistake, consult people before you start the construction of your housing. Also, feeding. That is the proper knowledge. Feeding. Many people today, they don't know the actual quantity of feed they're supposed to give their pets starting from day old. Some will not even give their pets any feed. No. When you're supposed to give them starter, you give them starter. When you're supposed to give them grower, you give them grower. When you're supposed to give them layers, give them layers, depending on the type of birds you are going for. If you want to give them finisher, you give them finisher. But if you miss this feeding formulation, my friend, you can never break even in poultry farming. So make sure that your feeding is correct if you want to break even, if you don't want to lose money in poultry business. Another knowledge that people fail to get if they are starting poultry business is vaccination. What is vaccination? Vaccination is a way of giving is a method or process of giving vaccines to our birds. These vaccines, we know that they are also living organisms, but they have been deactivated. So we introduce it into the body of these birds so that whenever these diseases are coming to their body, they will fight against these diseases. So you need to give them the proper vaccine. Your vaccination must be correct. Your vaccination must be okay. Don't miss your vaccination. Give them the normal method. Apply it when you're supposed to apply it. So your vaccination, please don't miss it. Some will even give vaccination to their birds, whereas they think they are giving vaccination to their birds, whereas they are giving their birds poison. How do you give vaccination to your birds? When do you give vaccination to your birds? Where do you get your vaccine? All the vaccines are still okay. Some people will give them vaccination. The vaccines are not even okay again. So you need to get knowledge. You need to start with proper knowledge if you don't want to lose money in your poultry farming business. Another thing is that disease management. We have so many diseases in poultry farming. How do you manage your disease? We have Newcastle disease, we have Gumboro disease, we have malaria disease, we have so many diseases. How do you manage your disease? And we know that in poultry business, prevention is better than cure. You need to prevent all these diseases so that if they attack or affect your poultry birds, they will kill some of them. you also spend extra money when it comes to buying drugs for them. So it's better you prevent these diseases from happening, from occurring. Don't stay till when you are going to prevent it. Don't stay till when you are going to prevent it. So if you can start with proper knowledge, if you gain proper knowledge before you start a poultry business, I bet it with you, you will laugh to the market and you will laugh back to your home. So number one mistake that people make in poultry farm business is that they start without proper knowledge. Number two mistake that people make in poultry farming business is poor housing system. Poor housing system. What is housing system? Housing system is a way of giving shelters to our birds, majorly to prevent direct sunlight on them, to prevent direct rainfall on them, also to prevent theft, to give them shelter, to give them protection. We have so many reasons of giving them housing system. Now, if you fail to give them the good quality housing system, you will have problem. It's a big mistake in poultry farming. Don't just say because you have an apartment, you want to start a poultry business. No, your housing must be well aerated. There must be cross ventilation in your housing system. By doing so, your birds will not have disease. They will not contact disease. So make sure that your housing system is not poor. Also, your housing system, just like I've said, they must have, you must prevent heat stress. There must be cross ventilation, because if the heat is too much, they will get heat stroke. They will have leg paralysis. So make sure that there is cross ventilation. You must construct your housing, your house, the poultry best house, in such a way that it will not face direct sunlight. Whenever your house is facing sun directly, your birds will definitely have problem, and that is one of the major problems that farmers without knowledge are having on their farm. And by doing so, their birds will die. If you don't want your birds to die, please make sure that you have quality housing system so that it will not give them heat stress. Another thing that poor housing system can create or cause is that disease outbreak. When the place is overcrowded, when the place is not well constructed, when the housing is not well ventilated, there will be outbreak of disease. Any disease, they will contact it within a few period of time. So my people, if you don't want problem on your farm, make sure that you prevent these mistakes. Make sure that you go against this mistake. Learn the basic knowledge. Give them good housing system even before you start your poultry farming. And that number 3 mistakes that farmers always make. Please come nearer and listen to me. You must understand this 3rd mistake. You must know it. You must not forget it. You must put it in mind. This number 3 mistake is very, very vital, and that is poor quality feed. Poor quality feed. As we know that this feed takes or carries about 70% in the cost of production. Also, it determines how your birds will perform. Feeding or feed is one of the major factors that determines how your birds will perform. If you miss this, you will miss it in poultry farm business. So what do I mean by poor quality feed? Some people will go for low quality feed. They even go to the extent of formulating their feed as a starter. It is not allowed. It is not encouraged. If you are a starter, go and buy your feed, good quality feed. I don't want to mention, but go and consult people that are experts. Don't say that you have known it all. Go and get good quality feed. If you can give them good quality feed, they will perform. But if you go for low quality feed, they will contact diseases. They will not grow. When you're supposed to be cropping your broiler, if you are going for broiler, for example, maybe at 5, 6, 7 weeks, you're supposed to be taking them to the market. You will wait until week 9 or even 10. They wouldn't even have got the expected weight. So if you want to make it in poultry farming, if you don't want to lose money in poultry farming, go for good high quality feed. If you give them low quality feed or poor quality feed, your birds will have slow growth rate, stunted growth, retarded growth, and it is not allowed. You know, we calculate time, we go with time when it comes to broiler production. Also, even if you are going for layers, if you are going for noila, if you are going for geese, if you are going for duck, if you are going for turkey, any bird you are going for in poultry farming, make sure that to give them good quality feed. By doing so, their growth rate will be very, very fast. You will take them to the market at the expected time. You will take them to the market at the normal time. Also, if you get poor quality feed, low egg production, if you are going into layers, if you want to be producing egg, if you give them quality feed, when you're supposed to give them good quality feed, they will have low egg production. They will not lay, and this one will affect their production. Even they might even stop producing egg. They will now start dying. So why do you go into a poultry business if you are not going to make money? Make sure that you consult people that know it more than you. Get the good knowledge, get the required knowledge, get the needed knowledge before you start this poultry farming business. Also, if you go for poor quality feed, the birds will be very, very weak. Your birds will not be strong. When they supposed to be very big, to be strong, little thing like this, they will just fall and they can die anytime. So make sure that you go for good quality feed. Don't ever go for low quality feed. Thank you. And number 4 reason, number 4 mistakes that farmers make, that starters make, that you must not make. Common error. Also, this number 4 is very, very important. It's very, very crucial. You must never forget it, and you must not make that mistake. Some farmers are ignoring vaccination schedule. Some farmers, they ignore vaccination schedule. Even some beginners will tell you that it's not even necessary to give vaccination to our pets. I may not even give vaccine to my pets, and my pets will perform. No, it is a big lie. Do not ever fall victim of that thing. You must give vaccination to your pets at the expected period, at the expected time. Give them the vaccine needed. Is it Newcastle vaccine, Newcastle disease vaccine? Give them this. Mainly in broiler, we give them Newcastle disease vaccine, which is Lasota, oral one. Give it to them. Don't say because of little money you are going to buy these vaccines, or because of the stress you are going to pass through in giving them these vaccines, that you don't want to give them. No, give it to them. Prevention is better than cure. Another vaccine that we normally give our pets is gumboro vaccine, which is infectious muscle disease vaccine. It is very, very important because they are viral diseases. And you know virus. It is better you prevent it. You cannot cure it. The damage and damages they will do to your pets, you will never get through it. You will never recover from it. So it's better you prevent this thing. It's better you give them the normal vaccine. Follow the schedule. Make sure that you have the schedule on your farm. If you don't know it, consult people that know it. Give them the needed vaccine. As you know that you are going to broiler mainly on the farms. Day 7, we give them Newcastle disease vaccine, that is Lasota number 1. Also at day 14, we give them the first gumboro, infectious muscle disease. At day 21, we give them the second Lasota, and day 28, we give them the second gumboro. So please don't miss it. Another vaccine that people normally ignore on their farms is fowl pox vaccine. Especially if you are rearing layers, those birds that will stay longer on your farm, you must give them fowl pox vaccine. Fowl pox vaccine. What is even fowl pox vaccine? Fowl pox disease. We see pulses on their faces, on their combs, on their wattle. That is fowl pox. It is better you prevent it. Prevent it so that they will not get you down. Prevent it so that they will not make you poor. You have invested your money. You have invested your time. You have invested everything you have, your strength. You have put everything into the business. Why can't you do the needful? Why can't you pass through the normal protocol and make sure that you give them the normal vaccine at the normal time? Another vaccine injection that we give our birds is Marek. So all these vaccines, make sure you give your birds, vaccinate them properly. It's good you vaccinate early in the morning or maybe later in the evening. Withdraw water, we're supposed to withdraw water if you are giving them oral vaccine. If you are giving them at their wing web, do the normal thing. Make sure that you don't miss the vaccine. Also, get the vaccine from a reliable source. Check the vaccine. If the vaccine is still okay, make sure that you give them the normal vaccine at normal time. And number 5 mistakes that farmers beginners normally make or do on their farm. Please, if you have not even listened to the first 4, make sure that you listen to this number 5. It's very important. It's very important. Number 5 mistake that beginners make on their farm, which make them poor, is poor farm management. Poor farm management. What is farm management? Farm management is the overall activities that we carry out or do on our farm that determines if we are going to make profit or we are going to lose our birds, our money, our farm, the everything we have on the poultry farm. Now, make sure that your management is good. When you're supposed to give them feed, give them the feed. When you make sure that their water, their house is not dirty. The surroundings of their house, their pens, the surrounding is okay. The bush is well cleared. Everything is good. Make sure that the water is not dirty. Give them quality water. Give them good feeding. Make sure that the biosecurity measure is well maintained. Make sure that the biosecurity measure you undergo biosecurity measure. Don't bring visitors to your farm anyhow. Consult food dip at the entrance of your pen. Put water and disinfectant inside it. Don't borrow materials from other farms. Make sure that you do fire tracing so that fire will not destroy or disturb your birds. All this management, all these activities must be done on your farm if you don't want to lose money. Also, make sure that your pen is not overcrowded. If the house is too if the birds are too many, separate them, take them to another place. Make sure that you reduce them. The place is not overcrowded. Their water must not be contaminated. Always treat their water. Make sure that you do everything. If you follow all these rules, if you follow this training as a beginner or even as a farmer, poultry farmer, you will make it in poultry farming. You will not lose your money. So these mistakes, you as a beginner, you as a farmer, you as a poultry farmer or intending poultry farmer, make sure that these mistakes, you know it, you don't follow it, you run away from all these mistakes and do the proper thing. Conclusively, the success you are going to make on your poultry farm, it all depends on 2 major things. Number 1, good management. How do you manage your farm? How do you manage your birds? How do you take care of your birds? How do you give them feed? How do you vaccinate? How do you prepare everything on your farm? How do you go about your biosecurity measure? And number 2 reason, and number 2 factor that determines your success as a poultry farmer is proper knowledge. Which knowledge do you have before you even venture into the poultry farming? So I'm only employing us today that if you are going into poultry farming as a beginner or as an intended farmer, make sure that you don't make none of these 5 mistakes, because if you make it, you will never make it in poultry farming. Such a person will not make it in poultry farming, and we want us to make it as a farmer. You have invested everything, you have invested your money, you have invested your strength, you have invested your energy, and you need to make it, because poultry farming is very good, it's reliable, it's dependable. You can rely on it. You follow all these rules. Thank you. If you have gained something in today's training or in today's video, I want you to do some things. I want you to share our today's video to others so that they too can learn. they too can gain some, so that they too will avoid all these 5 costly mistakes. Also, I want you to subscribe to our channel. Subscribe to our channel. By subscribing, you will follow our videos, our trainings that we will be putting on the channel. So please make sure you subscribe. Thank you. Have you ever made any of these mistakes on your poultry farm? Let's see your comments at the comment section.
Turkeys and others.
Pure innovation training supports consistency strong. Fresh Manna Farms.